Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet chili chicken, a low-carb recipe using the best sugar-free sweet chili sauce I've ever had. I'm telling you. Where my G's at? You know how you be craving those Buffalo Wild Wings, honey? We're going to make our own healthier version right now. We're going to swamp them wings for some healthy, boneless, skinless chicken breasts cut up, and then we're going to use sauce. Here's the Buffalo Wild Wings Island spices and peppers. When I shop for sauces, I look for three things: sugar, sodium, and carbs. Calories are important too. Obviously, G. Hughes is sugar-free, and the Buffalo Wild Wings sauce is 11 grams of sugar. It's recommended not to exceed 15 grams of sugar in one serving. Of course, any food that is high in fat and calories potentially slow down your weight loss. It can lead to regain. Some people don't eat more than 10 grams of sugar per serving. My sister in the beginning of her journey wouldn't have eaten more than 9 grams of sugar. And also in the G. Hughes's, it's only 5 calories as opposed to 70 calories with the Buffalo Wild Wings. That's a big difference. 80 grams of calorie difference. Calories are important. Even though I love the Buffalo Wild Wings Island spices and peppers, I have to start choosing healthier options. So you know what we're going with, right? We're going with the G. Hughes sweet chili sauce. Yep, so that's what we're doing, G's. If you're getting value out of this video, please consider liking and commenting. I would really like to know, what type of sugar-free sauces have you tried? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Both sauces are delicious, but obviously the sugar-free version is the most healthier option. So we're going with that. Don't forget to subscribe. You know you like me. So now we're going to prep our veggies. I'm going to be using some red peppers and some red onions. I love the flavor of these two combinations, especially with this sauce. It really makes it taste like an authentic Buffalo Wild Wings dish. And it also tastes like the wings that you would get in the Chinese restaurant. So that sweet and sour chicken, it tastes like that. So now I'm just peeling this onion so I can prepare to chop it. And then we're going to put all these veggies to the side. Not only is it fun to cook your own meals, but it's healthier too. You know exactly what's in it. You know exactly. You can literally control the salt content and the sugar content and the fat content. So now we're putting the vegetables to the side, and now we're going to start seasoning this chicken breast. So the first thing I'm going to put on there is some freshly ground black pepper. I love freshly ground black pepper. It seemed like it's not working, and this is what gets on my nerve because it really hurts my hands. But anyway, I'm going to put in some kicking chicken finger licking. All right, this is in the description below if you really want to use this. I really love this brand of seasoning. It really takes my food to another level. So I'm going to mix this chicken up. That's why I have gloves, because who wants to deal with raw chicken, right? As we mix it up, I'm going to incorporate some garlic powder. And that really just, I love garlic. I love garlic in everything I cook. I have all the different varieties of garlic. I have garlic powder. I have garlic paste. I have garlic, fresh garlic. I love garlic, chow. So now, once that's incorporated, I'm going to use chickpea flour. And I got this from Walmart. It's a seasoned garbanzo beans flour. It's perfect for vegan, vegetarian, and gluten-free meals. I love it because it's very light and airy. It's lighter than flour, and that's why I like it. So we're going to lightly coat these chicken breasts. I'm going to put a little bit more because it was getting a little sticky, but it's covered now, and then we're going to fry this in avocado oil. This is avocado oil. This is my first time trying this oil, and I really enjoy this oil as well. It's one of the healthier oils. So I'm putting all the little chicken breasts in the pan, and I'm making sure that it doesn't crowd the pan, because I really want a good sear on it, so it can taste like General Tso's chicken, or one of those chickens that you get from the Asian restaurant. So that's why I don't want to fill the whole pan up with chicken. So as it's frying, we're going to let it get a good crisp on it, and then we're going to flip it and see how golden brown it is, child. Wow. Now look at this. Look how nice and brown this is. Not too dark, just evenly browned. And like I said, this is light and airy. It's not heavy, cakey flour. Look at the beautifulness of it all. That's all I'm saying. Okay? So I took out half of the chicken and drained the oil. Now I'm going to be sauteing the red peppers and the red onions with some of the chicken. And once that caramelization comes together with the veggies, then I'm going to add the other half of the chicken so it can all incorporate together, because the pan is only but so big, y'all. Okay, so now that we mixed all the veggies and the chicken together, now it's time to show you the star of the show, y'all. G. Hughes sweet chili dipping sauce. And here we go. Remember, G's, just because it's sugar free don't mean you can OD on the sauce, because it does have calories. 2 tablespoons per serving and 5 calories. So we're just going to put in just enough to incorporate the chicken. And then if you want more, you can put it on your plate at the end. So what it's doing right now is just marrying all the seasonings together. Look at it. It's just marrying. That's all it's doing. And now it's time to plate it up. So we're going to put it in this nice bowl. Obviously, I'm going to put this in here for display only. I can't eat that much. Come on, guys. You know the G, sleeve, gastric bypass. Where my G's at? Anyway, this is how it looks. It's gorgeous. We're going to put some crusted, what do you call it, sesame seeds? We're going to put some sesame seeds on here. Okay? So look at it. Just as authentic as it want to be. I'm telling you, y'all. You do this, you'll start getting yourself right. All right? You don't have to go to the Chinese restaurant, because you made it at home. Simple and easy. And it's delicious too. You don't have to put nothing with this. You don't have to put no rice. Just eat it just like that. Can we just stop and look at the crispiness on this chicken? Come on, chicken. And if you just want to put a little bit more sauce, we can do that. So I just put a little awesome sauce on it. A little bit of that sweet chili. Because remember, it's only 5 calories per serving. But don't get it twisted though. 5 calories do add up. So just be careful. But it's better than 70 calories. I love you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Let's go. VSGLife.